I have an update on what I observed so far to add to the list. This is a great tool for decals. Let me show you. As you can see, no runs. No runs. Great for decals. You can't get any better than this. There is no detailing with this tool, unless of course you're a stickler like some people and you just want everything looking perfect. But take a look for yourself. Take a look for yourself. All you have to do is have this wet and get that light coat of dust off. You know what I mean? Agitate where you need to on those heavily soiled areas and you'll be good to go. The next thing I want to show you is an updated mod of my latest WAG, the one with the pad. I added this to it. Now I know it may look a little crazy, but guess what, man? It works. Just make sure the window's wet. Don't use this dry. But for those who are wondering, no, it won't scratch the glass. It's too soft. And not only that, it's curved. But see, it's so thin that this is the reason why I've done it. Instead, when you're doing residential, instead of putting a separate tool to get that not bug crap, the mold spores off the window, it won't come off with regular scrubbing. Now it will come off with the bronze pad, but I have to scrub, and there's no sense of scrubbing a big area when you only got a couple little dots. Even if I had a whole lot, it's a lot easier to turn this round and use the back of the squeegee. Oops, something fell off. Use the back of the squeegee to get all the bug poo off, if that makes any sense. And it's all about just saving time, convenience factor, working smarter. You're eliminating steps involved. You just get done so much faster. It's unreal. You guys wouldn't believe how much time you could save. I also want to add, Travis, you had asked me if you watched this video, and for those who didn't see the video, Travis had asked me a question. Out of the ones that I made, which one scrubs the better, the magic eraser or the sponges that I built? Well, without a doubt, the magic eraser is the toughest gliding strip that was ever made. Well, that I ever made. The using the magic eraser for your gliding strips is just genius. Just simply genius. Not only does it hold that water. Hello, my angel. Hello, my angel.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. Keeping busy?
Yeah, I'm trying to. All right, take care.
Okay.
Yeah, the magic erasers is without a doubt a genius way to go, but they just don't last long. But I do have them and I do use them. I just really haven't been showing them because I showed you guys enough. But this new strip that I made, for some reason, it seems like it holds more water than Willie's strip. Well, maybe because it's a tad bit thicker, but I'm not sure. But I know one thing, it scrubs a lot better too. That felt is thicker than the one that Wagtail has. So now I'm not certain that that's what they used. They probably used something along those lines, but the felt thing that I got is kind of thick, but not so thick where it's going to be in the way. but it scrubs better, and I'm finding myself not having to keep the pad wet or squirt the window as much. That much I do know. So that's a nice surprise and a plus, for some of you who are going to adopt this mod. I know Fernando, I think it was, that said that his 26-inch high flyer, man, he's the only one with that 26-inch high flyer because he thought we all had that. Well, the ones that have it, Pat, Richie, me, and I think it was one other person that got it. We're the only ones that have it. He's the only one that got the 26, so now I got to get a 30-inch. I got to beat him. Nah, I don't plan on getting a 30-inch. I think 24 and 26 is probably the highest you want to go with that. But I guess that's pretty much all I wanted to say. I'll see y'all on the flip side.